Thank you, Yuka, for the question. Yes, it is fear. Fear, we all have these fear memories inside of us. For me, you are telling me a story of fear, which means for me that I projected my fear onto you.
Yeah.
And now you are showing up and telling me the story about fear. And I and everyone else here in our class now can clean with fear. And you are doing the right thing. You are using the right tools. There is no wrong tool. Yeah, thank you. The only thing is to clean on the fear, on fear. Fear is always in you. And your child is telling you this with a thought. But when you, for example, drink blue solar water as much as you can, then you are cleaning and your Unihipili does the work, the cleaning work. And sometimes Unihipili remembers you to do your work too. This is when you have the thought of fear. Thank you.